All right, good morning, everybody. If you're joining us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for that. Please give us a thumbs up. Let us know you enjoy these morning shows. Once again, the first hour is going to be free, and then after that, we do continue on with our subscribers. We'll continue to watch this week, watching the E-mini S&P ES RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. GC for gold, CL for crude oil. Watch Bitcoin this week as well, and the Aussie US. Right now I am getting a short. Let's take a look here. Looks like we're getting a short on the gold. All right, yeah, we are getting a short on the gold right here. Let's take a look. Okay, my price target, my profit target on gold is going to bring me down to 1741. 1741. That is going to be my profit target. We'll hold that. We won't reverse unless it comes all the way up to 1750. All right. So start off this morning short gold target 1741. This is just what we call a pairing pattern short. We do trade patterns. This one is called pairing. If for some reason we reverse it 1750, that'll put us into an HF1 buy. Bitcoin is also getting a pairing pattern short. Pairing pattern short on Bitcoin. So that would put Bitcoin down to a target of, let's see, 15,965, 15,965. And if we need to reverse on Bitcoin, we won't reverse until it comes up to 16,115, 16,115. So right now it looks like we are going to get a higher opening. We have the mini Dow. And it's up about 140, 147, 148. All the indices are up. We are expecting a higher opening. Overall projections for the day is going to be down for the market. We are looking for the market to be down. We do have quite a few stocks pointing to the downside for their pattern. So we do. I would expect the overall Dow to end up lower for the day, but we'll wait and see on that. We usually get a really big day too in the Dow and the indices right before a holiday. So it's either going to be today or tomorrow. We would expect a pretty substantial size day. So we'll see what happens. All right, so just only short gold right now. Bitcoin's in a short. guys. Short gold, short Bitcoin. Watching Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is going to have an HF1 reversal here at 16,115. That would be a good reversal. But this is also a good area to add if you're short and or establish a new position on that Bitcoin. All right, still hanging short on this gold here. Still hanging short on Bitcoin.
There's a way to make.
All right, welcome everybody. It's going to be a Saturday, September. All right, still holding short gold, looking for that target of 1741. Possible short coming in on the Aussie US. Gonna watch for our short on the Aussie US. All right, so still hanging tight, a little quiet right now. So we're just holding short on the gold, holding short on the Bitcoin. Once again, if you're joining us for the very first time, I highly suggest that you go over to my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, and check out this video. It's called An Introduction to My Unconventional Trading Strategies and Method. My approach is different. A 40-year trader, 35 years ago, I discovered what I found and name as what I call behavioral patterns. I've been trading those ever since. I've never found anything that is more reliable than these behavioral patterns. And I haven't released them up until a few years ago to the public. So please watch that video, give you a little bit better idea of how I'm trading this morning. Also keep in mind that we do have a special going on right now. Black Friday special. We are having quite a bit of discounts on all our packages, anywhere between 25 up to 40%. And also, for the first time, we're throwing in some free time in our live chat room. So not only will you be able to save on the package, but you're also going to get some free time in the chat room. Minimum value on that is $150, and it goes up from there. So it's a really good opportunity to get in, very reasonably priced, learn these strategies, and also spend some time with us live in the chat room as we continue on after this morning show and continue trading. All right, so just hanging tight. Gold is slowly starting to work its way lower. Bitcoin's coming off a little bit after that add-on. So once again, if you have any questions along the way, feel free to ask. Either my moderator, Glenn, or myself will answer those questions for you. Right now, still pretty quiet, waiting for the opening bell here. But do have coming in with a short gold. Bitcoin's coming in with a short. Looking good on the gold. Bitcoin's now coming down nicely. All right, so we have about 8 minutes to go here before the opening bell. And less than that, probably about another 6 minutes to go before the opening bell. Do expect a higher opening overall on the Dow. Coming in short before the bell on gold. Coming in short on Bitcoin. Got a double play also, Blink. We have a double play coming up. This is basically, it's a double carrot. Call it a double play. Coming up on the Aussie US for a short. So we just had one on the Euro US. Right over here, had a nice little double play on the Euro US for a short. A nice little double play here for the Euro. What that means is that these are 5-minute charts. When we get these double carrots, that means we're looking to sell the next 5-minute bar. And that's why you're seeing these reds here. So 2 doubles, next bar red. 2 doubles, next bar red. Nice, Glenn. Nice trade. Okay, got a short right now on the Aussie US. Oh, wow. 33. 33 short. More aggressive. Take 29 short. More aggressive play would be short to 29. Conservative would be sell to 33. On the Aussie US, once again, when you're trading, you can trade off of any platform. I like Nadex as a platform. If you're not familiar with Nadex, you can go to my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com, click on the link tab, and there is a link directly to Nadex. Or you can just go to nadex.com via the internet to learn a little bit more about Nadex. But I do like Nadex because it does provide some opportunities with options. I do trade a lot of options on these plays. They also have something called knockouts, which are basically just like trading spot. So I just like trading these markets in any other platform, except that it provides safety nets. So if you have some huge spike in the market, you are protected. You're not going to get stuck in a huge move where you can't get out. So there are definitely a lot of advantages to using them. And they are a regulated exchange in the U.S., so it's a really, really good exchange. So anyway, right now, just a couple things going on. We got that short going on right now on the Aussie U.S. Coming in short with the gold. Bitcoin's also in a short. About 2 minutes to go here before the opening bell. Once again, we are looking for a higher opening on the Dow. So once again, my approach is different. I use what I call behavioral patterns. These are very specific patterns. They're not your traditional chart patterns or candlestick patterns for that matter. They are patterns that, what I say, reflect human behavior, and human behavior is pretty much constant across all the different markets. So you can use these patterns with whichever market you like. That's the idea of the morning show. Kind of demonstrate across the board. We'll have some commodities here. We have some indices. We've got some Forex. Not doing any stocks this week, but we've been watching some stocks. And also, if there's anything in particular you'd like me to take a look at, I'd be glad to do that for you. If we're not actually actively in a trade and it's quiet, go ahead and just put it in the chat. Glenn or myself will we'll take a look at it and see what we see. Right now, only thing I have playing in going into the opening, which is in about another 15 seconds, is we are coming in short on this gold and coming on short on the Bitcoin. We've got this Aussie US getting ready to get out here in about 5 seconds. So nice little trade on the Aussie US. And there is our opening bell. We've got the Dow up 194. All right, just continue to hold short on the gold. Continue to hold short on Bitcoin. Now holding up 182. Okay, getting a short now on RTY. Getting a short on RTY. RTY is going to be that mini Russell. Mini Russell. All right, profit target on this RTY. Yeah, it's going to bring me down to, let's see, 1839 would be my profit target on that Russell, 1839. This is going to be what we call an HF3 short. HF3 short. I would reverse at 1854, 1854. All right, so now we are short the mini Russell, short the gold, short Bitcoin. Bitcoin slowly approaching target. 15,965 is going to be the target on Bitcoin. That's a big move down on that RTY. Look at that. Big move down. Down up 238. Hey, we're getting a short now on crude oil. Getting actually a short now on crude oil. Target on crude oil bring me down to 80.15. So profit target 80.15 short crude oil. This is an HF2 short. If we come up to 81.65, that'll put me at an HF1 buy, 81.65. So I've reversed, take that long on 81.65. So short pretty much everything. Still short gold. Bitcoin still short. Mini Russell's short, and now crude is short. Nothing going on Euro US. Out of the Euro US. Nothing going on our E-mini S&P ES. Profit target hit. All right, Bitcoin did hit its target. So Bitcoin hit its profit target. Still leaves us short on the mini Russell. Short gold, short crude. It's actually a good add-on area for gold and or establish a new short. Target getting really close on this RTY of 1839. Profit target hit. All right, we did hit target on RTY. All right, still short gold, added to the gold short, still playing the short on the crude. If we can get crude up to around the 81.16, 81.17, that would be a good area to add short. So pretty good morning so far. No reversals. Targets have been getting hit. Once again, we the approach we're using here with these targets is what we call Einstein. It's a mathematical formula. Actually, it wasn't something that I developed. It was something that was taught to me back in the 80s, the late 80s, by a very successful day trader. And it's a formula he came up with. He called it Einstein because he made a lot of money with it. And what I do is I use that in combination with my patterns. And it provides me with an entry price, profit target, and a reversal target. You're going to hit somewhere between 72 to 80% before hitting reversal. So high probabilities we'll hit our target before reversal. So it's a really, really strong approach to trading. I like to use them with options. You can use them pretty much anything, but I like to use them with trading deep out of the money options. All right, so we're just hanging short here on gold, short on crude. Added to some on that gold, on that pop-up. Yeah, crude come up a little bit higher. I like to add to that short. All right, we're still hanging short here on the gold. Hanging short on the crude. Yeah, really. Einstein every day. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, I don't know if you could, I don't know how you do that, Glenn. All right, just kind of in a quiet phase right now. Let's see what the Dow's doing. Dow's up 177. It's pulling back. Still short the gold. We added on up here. And just this whole area right here is a good little add-on. That or put on a new trade. Once again, when you're trading with Einstein, so many opportunities. You can wait for those pullbacks, which you get those a lot, and put on your trade after a pullback. You can enter at the entry point, wait for a pullback, and add, which is kind of what I like to do. All right, so we have another 10 minutes here before the top of the hour. Once again, we continue on with this, with the live broadcast for free, and then we move over to our subscribers and continue on with our trading. Right now, we're just kind of sitting in a quiet zone here, holding on to some shorts. Still pretty quiet. Possible short coming in on this Aussie. You don't see it, but there's a little pattern setting up over here. Looks like you may want to pull this Aussie down a little bit. Aussie US. You get closer to 31. Closer to 31, could see it pull this down. Yeah, somewhere in this area. All right, still short gold and holding on to the short crude. No other setups. Watching the Aussie US, could see the Aussie US coming down to 66.13 sometime today. 66.13 would be a little bit further out projection. Don't think it's going to do it right away, but I could see 66.13 at some point today. All right, gold's finally working lower. That was a really nice add-on on the gold. Still hold on to that short crude oil. So here we are. We're sitting at the top of the hour. Sure goes fast. Once again, if you have any questions, please go to my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or come to my website, innovative-trading-strategies.com. If you go there and provide us with your email address, I'm going to shoot you a free copy of a book I wrote several years ago, mainly for trading stocks. But at the time we were selling it for $250. We'll give you that for free if you come to the website. Give us your email address and we'll shoot you a free copy. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today. So any questions, once again, come to my website. That's always the best way to get a hold of me if you have any specific questions. And besides that, everybody have a good day. Looking for a lot of volatility in the next couple days. So be careful on that. And we will see everybody again first thing tomorrow morning.